I got broads in Atlanta. She's a in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van. What's up, YouTube? And today I'm not gonna be gaming. This is some real talk right here. I'm not joking about any of this, guys. I say, guys. So, guys. Today is a very, very creepy video. It's not gonna be like so scary, but so this here's what happened. So one of my classmates, he told me about this account. He was playing Roblox Assassin, and then this person, I'm not gonna tell you the username yet. He was saying he wouldn't stop saying July. He said that he would just keep on repeating July, and he wouldn't stop. So, what happened? He asked July what? He said July 6th, and he wouldn't stop repeating 6. And that is when he said, go to my profile, you'll see what I mean. So that's what I'm going to do today. He told me to look at this account, so I am. His name is Normal Nation, but with only okay, so let's just search it up. There it is, Normal Nation, with zeros instead of the O's. Normal Nation. So before we get, what the heck? John Doe was defeated. He did nothing, but I will. What the heck? What in the... Wait, I've heard of this guy, Twisted Ticket Rascom. I've heard of these. I've heard of these accounts before. Okay, let's take a quick adventure into all of his friends before we start really getting into his. So, Twisted Tech. The tech is dead. The Twisted Tech is alive. His creation's D-Money Gamer. Reported my friend. Hashtags. So I will return the favor. I'm coming for you. Hashtag. The tech is dead. The Twisted Tech is alive. Guys, at the end of this video, I'm gonna do something that's gonna be scary. I'm gonna send them all a friend request. Alright. Now let's go over here. What the heck, dude? This is the creepiest one. I've been treated like trash, but on July, hashtag, you will be smashed. You will pay, don't think I will let you get away. So I think what he means is July 6th, because Normal Nation can still say July 6th, and it wouldn't stop. So I'm pretty sure July 6th. Guys, these are hackers. I've heard. Oh wait, I played with him before. Yeah, I played with him on Assassin. He put down an Assassin server. Oh my god, I'm remembering. Look at all his friends. These are like just copies of other people. Like Default. I don't have no idea what this. So let's see what default has to say. Hold on. Alright. Roses are red, violets are blue. I am a hashtag. I am a blank, you should be too. Okay, so he's a rhymer. Very creepy. Now let's go to this one. Hacker with the 344444. This one doesn't say anything. He's friends with all of them. Binaric Fireball. This is totally just a copy, dude. Does he have to say anything? No. Okay, let's go back into Normal Nation. Normal Nation right here. So, let's see his creations. July is near. Under construction. Hold on. This is so... Guys, is this the replacement of John Doe? Is he the replacement of John Doe? Hackers will be spotted on July 6th on this map. Hiding. Not being in the player section. Enter if you want to risk your account on July 6th. This is so creepy. Under construction. July is here. Under construction. So on July 6th, but my question is, what time? July is near. Under construction. Hackers will be spotted on July 6th. No servers. I really do not want to go into here until it's actually done. Guys, I'm taking the risk of a lifetime. Oh wait, I haven't got to know Nicholas yet. There's no Nicholas. Hold on, Nicholas is the person who made Murder Mystery 2, right? He's playing with normal nations. He must be a hacker. So I don't want to friend no Nicholas, guys. This is it. We've reached the end of the video, and I'm doing it. 3, 2, 1. It's pending. I'm gonna send a friend request to Rascal 2. They're offline right now. Friend. Just check now. I'm so nervous right now. Pending. So those are the ones that I'm gonna do for now. So guys, basically I'll do a video if any of them, so if any of them okay, so guys, I'll update you if like any of them respond again, if any of them accept or even try and send me something like a friend request or anything. Since you have Robux, I only friend people with Robux. I know that seems a little bit unfair. I know that's unfair, but it's how I flow. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna leave it off here. I'm gonna stop the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I certainly did not, because I am literally so nervous that they will, accept my friend request. So guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and give me good luck that I do not get hacked on July 6th. Oh, I didn't even stop recording. Oh. So guys, I'm going to show you what's that noise. A lot of you already know what the noise is. It's my golden fidget spinner. It's my golden fidget spinner. It's made out of real metal. It's not real gold. It's made out of real metal. So yeah, I'm going to stop it off here and hope you guys enjoyed the video. and subscribe, and yeah, that's basically it.